Hello boys and girls, this is 4th grade Excel lesson number 7. Just a reminder that you need to pay real close attention to everything that I'm telling you on the video because you're going to be seeing these kinds of problems over and over again, and this is your big chance to learn it and make your life easier for the next several months. In fact, for the next several years. So pay close attention, pause the video when I say to pause it, okay? Here we go. We're going to look at reading numbers in number words less than 10,000, recognizing any number word less than 10,000. Read along with me here. When writing numbers, always remember the importance of 0. Also, the comma separates the thousands place from the hundreds place. In fact, the comma in the words is the same place that the comma is in the number that you write. Let's take a look at that. 2005. This part goes before the comma because there's a comma right there, and then you write the number 5. How do you write the number 2005? 2000, and then we need some zeros in there to make the 5 end up in the ones place, because it doesn't say 2,500 or 2,050, it's just 2005. Write that number down for number 1. All right, why don't you try number 2, pause the video, and then turn it back on when you're ready. 1,406 is what number 2 says. Again, notice where the comma is. 1,000, comma, 406 goes after the comma. 406, 1,406. All right, do numbers 3 and 4. Pause the video, turn it back on when you've tried them on your own. All right, so you should have already done number 3. It says 1,040, 1,040. Notice that the comma in the word is the comma in the number right there. 6,015, comma here, comma there, 6,015, 6015. All right, so the next section, we're going to do the reverse. We're going to be looking at numbers, and we're going to write words for the numbers. Keep in mind when you write the words, you can't use any digits at all. It has to only be letters forming words. All right, number 5 says 5010. How do I actually read that number? Some kids say 5,000s, 110 or 5,000s 10. The way you say that number is 5,010. That's it. So we're going to write those 3 words here. If you can write it with me, 5,000. Spell your words correctly, and then put a comma, because there's a comma in the number, comma in your words, and then write T-E-N. Don't write the digits for 10. All right, you pause the video and try, let's do 6, 7, and 8, and then turn it back on when you're ready to see the solutions. So number 6 has 2 different possible correct answers. You can write 4, and hopefully you're writing neater than I am. I'm trying to write with a stylus on an iPad. It's pretty tricky. 4,000, comma, 300. It's probably what most of you wrote. The other possible correct answer, make sure you spell those words right, by the way, too. Check your spelling. The other possible answer is 4,300. So if you want to write 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 300, then that would also be correct, because 4,300 is 4,300. All right, number 7, we have 3,000, T-H-R-E-E, 1,000, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Notice the word and is at the end. Then a comma, and then write T-W-O, 2. And number 8 is 1,000. That's a little tricky there. 1,000, comma, 600. 4, F-O-U-R. All right, so any mistakes you made, erase those and fix those, and then we'll go on to the next section. Okay, so there are 3 problems to do with a check answer right here. Why don't you pause the video, try those 3 problems, add up the check answer, make sure that they come out right. If it doesn't come out right, go back and try to find your mistake before you turn the video on. All right, so you should have already done these three problems. 1011, 1000, notice comma, comma, 11 is 011. You have to have 3 digits after the comma in order to be doing this right. 2007, 2, comma, 007. 3108, 3000, comma, comma's here, comma there, 3108. All you have to do is write 108 after the comma. Then over here we add up 1011, 2007, and 3108, and we get 8 and 7 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Bring the 1 up there, that's equal to 2. 001 is 1, and 1, 2, 3, when you add those together you get 6. So that comes out nicely. All right, pause the video, do all the basic fact practice, all 3 rows of these problems, and then turn the video back on to check your work. All right, you should have already done all of these problems before you're looking at this. Go ahead and pause the video and double check your work, erase and change any answers that are wrong. And thank you so much for watching.